Can Dogecoin reach $10? Is that a realistic Dogecoin price? You have Elon Musk in the Department of Government Efficiency. You have the #1 meme coin across the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem. Can you reach $10 per Dogecoin? Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Maxi, and I have another video for you guys. Today, we're going to be talking about Dogecoin. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video, guys. All right, so first things first, we are looking at Dogecoin, and we are looking at the daily time frame on TradingView. We are seeing quite a nice move to the upside here. When you measure from the bottom, when we broke out of here, I mean, we should probably measure from here just to see how high we really came from a suitable level. Basically, 209% gains over the past 2 weeks, okay, guys? We came all the way up to 48 cents at one point. Right now, we're trading about 45. But how high can Dogecoin really go this cycle? Can Dogecoin go to $10? Dogecoin is sitting at rank number 7, up about 3% on the past 7 days, down about 3% in the past 24 hours. We're kind of chopping around right here, getting ready for our market open. And I do think that we're going to be seeing some fireworks into the end of December here, guys. I expect some big moves across the board. But really, how high can it take Dogecoin? Sitting at a $66.64 billion with a B market cap. That's a lot of money, guys. That is a lot of money invested into Dogecoin. A $10 Dogecoin would need to be not only a 10x from here, guys. We're talking about basically a 20x on Dogecoin. You need to have 20 times the value, roughly, of $66 billion. It's pretty tough, guys. I'm going to be honest with you. I think it's a little far-fetched. We would be talking about a $1.2 trillion market cap with a T for Dogecoin. That's crazy. Probably not going to happen this cycle. But I do think that altcoins are heating up here, and I'm going to give you guys my realistic prediction for Dogecoin. But if you think that altcoins are getting ready to go absolutely wild, then please check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. Sign up to Bloaf and you get a $5,000 sign-on bonus, as well as 10% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account after you create it. It is a limited time offer, guys. So even if you don't want to trade right now and you want to trade in a year from now, I recommend you sign up right now because you get grandfathered in. This is a limited time offer. No other exchange is offering 10% off all trading fees. Sign up to Blofen, guys, because it is going to get pretty crazy here. If you follow me on 333blackc on Twitter, you would have seen me post this. I said, ha, ha, ha. And this is the photo of the entire crypto asset class as a whole. Guys, there's $3.58 trillion, okay, invested into crypto right now. That is the all-time high. We're breaking all-time highs. More and more money is flowing in. So let me just give you a general idea here. So if Dogecoin was to go to $10, it would be more than 30% of all of the money invested in crypto, including Bitcoin, only into Dogecoin. Now, some of you might think that's possible, but I'm going to be honest with you guys. I want to be realistic here on the Crypto Report. I think it's far-fetched. I think it's not realistic for this cycle. I think we would need to be talking about literally like a $50 trillion asset class, maybe even like a 30 trillion dollar asset class before we're talking about the #1 meme coin being $1.2 trillion. I think it's possible. It's possible if we start to see Bitcoin strategic reserves going across the board. When you see these countries start to buy and accumulate Bitcoin like they buy gold as a strategic reserve, if you start to see somewhat of a digital cryptocurrency arms race happening, then sure, things can get very silly and very crazy very quickly, guys. But I want to talk about a realistic price prediction for this cycle for Dogecoin. Like I said, right now we're trading at about 48 cents, sitting at about a $66 billion market cap. I do think, first things first, we need to reach $1, guys, okay? And I'm not saying that that's my price prediction. I'm not saying that that's going to be the cap, but I do think that $1 is our first stepping stone. That's our first milestone we need to truly break. Past cycle, we reached 75 cents. On some exchanges, we even came up to, I think, about 90, but it was a quick wick. And I'm not going to say that that was that happened because that was only on a handful of exchanges. But basically, we need to be reaching about 75 cents. And I think that is a very, very possible, especially if Bitcoin decides to continue to trade where it is at right now, around $100,000. Because, guys, Bitcoin dominance is the number one indicator that is showing that altcoin season is here. And when altcoin season is here, that is the indicator that altcoins, including Dogecoin, are getting ready to get a lot of liquidity moved into them, and that market cap is going to swell up, guys. It's going to get bigger and bigger, and Dogecoin's price is going to get bigger and bigger. When we're looking at Bitcoin dominance, you can see we were sitting in a 2-year-long rising wedge, a very bearish pattern, as a high probability of breaking down. I think something like a 80% chance. And you're seeing that we're officially breaking down out of it. We're looking at the weekly time frame. We're getting weekly candle closures below the rising wedge. That's very bullish for your Dogecoin, my friends. And we want to see this continue to happen. We want to see this continue to break down. And the deeper this goes and the bloodier it gets, the higher Dogecoin is going to go. And in my opinion, so first things first, we need to be testing $1 Dogecoin. We need to be breaking previous cycle highs at about 75, 76 cents. After that, there's no resistance above us, all right, guys? If we get to 76 cents, that's basically about, let's say, another 100% until we get there. So now we're talking about basically a $120 billion market cap. Yes, that is very, very possible. I think that that is almost a given, especially if Bitcoin decides to play nice here and altcoin season continues to flow. If we see that Bitcoin dominance continue to break down, 75 cents is kind of in the bag, in my opinion. That's not financial advice. That's my opinion. I've been in the cryptocurrency space for nearly a decade. I've been trading for much more than a decade. It moves in cycles, guys. It moves in cycles, and we're starting to see that huge inflow, and retail is coming back to crypto. We're going to see some crazy prices, and like I said, about the Bitcoin Strategic Reserve, if you see nation states starting to accumulate Bitcoin, we're seeing just today that Amazon wants to start talking about creating a Bitcoin, or just accumulating Bitcoin on their balance sheet. That's massive. When you start seeing all the big companies in the world doing that, and the countries, it snowballs, guys. It becomes a digital arms race. We're starting to see that play out. So how high can Dogecoin go, in my opinion? First things first, let's break above $1, okay? Let's get some daily, weekly candle closures above $1. But I will be honest with you guys. We just saw with XRP. XRP absorbed a $100 billion inflow over 2 weeks, okay? If Dogecoin were to get a $100 billion inflow, that's going to send us much more over $1. That's going to probably set us to about $1.20, okay? I do think that a $2 Dogecoin, a $3 Dogecoin would be my high target for this cycle. Can we get to $5? Sure. It can get really crazy. Sure. Get to $10? Can Dogecoin really get to $10? No, guys. In my opinion, not this cycle. We would need to see some crazy tokenomics changing for Dogecoin. Like, I'm talking massive supply burns, inflation cutting down significantly, because a lot of Dogecoin gets created every single day. So that supply is constantly increasing, so that demand better be increasing as well exponentially. Otherwise, the price is going to deflate. It's as simple as that. But in all, guys, I do think Dogecoin is going to perform very, very well this cycle. We've already seen it performing well. Like I said, you measured it from the bottom here, and we're up like a 400%. 400% from the bottom to the top this cycle. It's absolutely insane. But I do think that we have a little bit more ways to go here, and I think a lot of people are going to make a lot of money from Dogecoin. Not financial advice, but I think this market is going to get very, very silly and very, very crazy. And in the spirit of that, if you follow me at 333blacksea on Instagram and Twitter, if I can reach 1,000 followers in the next 2 days, I will give one of you guys $1,000. I want to give back this bull market. Everyone's making money. It's a great time. That's all I got. If you like this type of content, guys, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. How high do you think Dogecoin will go this cycle? Do you think that I'm being a big bear and $10 is going to happen? I would say I don't think that's happening, but let me know in the comment section below. I'm very curious on what your predictions are for Dogecoin. Please sign up to Blowfin, get that 10% off all trading fees, as well as follow me, 333blacksea on Instagram and Twitter. That's all I got for you guys. I'll see you in the next one.